A breaking update that is now coming in with the formation of the Devendra Fadnavis government and his cabinet as well, with many of the ministers now also taking oath. It seems the ones who have been left out are now raising a cause of concern. Miffed with the NCP Ajit Pawar faction, Chhagan Bhujbal will be holding a meeting with his supporters in Nashik. And this meeting that will be held at Bhujbal's farmhouse at around 11 a.m. What is being reported, as he is apparently upset in not getting a place in the cabinet of Devendra Fadnavis government. Chhagan Bhujbal is also expected to show a strength, and this meeting that is expected to happen with his supporters. Yes, Nilesh, what more can you tell us about this as far as Chhagan Bhujbal is concerned? What could be his possible next move?
Well, as we spoke of Mahavikas Aghadi alliance, it is also interesting to see that how Mahayuti alliance also have certain headaches, issues developing, wherein very senior leaders, including that of Chhagan Bhujbal and Sudhir Mungantiwar, has registered their discomfort by not getting the berth in ministry of that Mahayuti 2.0. Chhagan Bhujbal today will be holding talks with his workers, party workers and supporters, because remember, just few days back he has mentioned while speaking to media that he hasn't spoken to Ajit Pawar because he does not feel that is very important. What is important for him is to speak to the workers, the supporter of his and what demand they will be keeping forward will be put forth by him to Ajit Pawar. So this becomes a very crucial meeting, and after this meeting he will be briefing media. It is what is being expected that he will clear his lines, because there has been talk about that he is not only upset with Ajit Pawar but BJP also. He has been stating that how it is not just Ajit Pawar but BJP which led to his cancellation of minister berth. Meanwhile, you are also getting to know that Ajit Pawar is also trying hard to propel Bhujbal, giving him another important portfolio, not into the ministry but
well, his
something
next
else.
move would be interesting, exactly, because does it mean that this is a new headache for the Mahayuti 2.0 as far as Chhagan Bhujbal not finding himself in the current Maharashtra government? Thank you very much for the moment, Nilesh, for joining in. Let's in the meantime